In front of me is XIAOMI Leica Leitzphone, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by opening Devices Settings and scrolling a tiny bit to tap on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll again and begin by clicking on this switcher next to Vibrate vocals to enable or disable incoming calls haptic feedback. Then tap on this one next to Vibrate in silent mode if you want to turn on or off vibrations when your device is muted. Lastly, use this switcher next to haptic feedback if you want to switch on or off haptic feedback response to gestures and system controls. If you decided you do want to enable this one, you can also adjust intensity thanks to this slider. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!